Thanksgiving is over, so what are you going to do with all your leftovers? Nobody wants them. We know what most people do. They throw them in the trash. But let me show you what you should do with your leftovers. You should feed all your leftovers to your chickens. One, this makes you a producer and not a consumer, and it keeps all of this out of landfills, you guys. It's not cows causing methane gas, it's the landfills, and it's you putting your trash there. So chickens love leftovers, and by eating these leftovers, they'll make nutritious eggs that you will then consume, creating the perfect circle of life. No waste homesteads, that's the future.